Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot cannelli bean chili. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot. I have it set on saute and it's preheated. I'm going to start by putting in 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I'm also going to add in 1 medium onion I diced up. And I did a rough dice in this because we don't want it too fine or it'll disappear in the pressure cooker as it goes. I'm going to go ahead and brown up my ground beef and saute my ends. Alright, now that my ground beef is all browned up and my ends are sauteed, I drained off the excess grease. We're going to start by adding our seasoning. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And I'm just eyeballing this, guys. And this is a really quick, simple chili. The hardest part about this was dicing up the onion. And if you want to get around that, just use some onion powder or some dehydrated onion. I'm going to add in 1 healthy teaspoon of cumin. And guys, cumin really makes a dish delicious. That'll really bring out the flavors in this chili. Okay, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt. And about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And I turned my power off on the Instant Pot. That's just a residual heat in the bottom, bubbling up the liquids in there. I'm going to give this a stir. Just a quick blend. Okay, now I'm going to add in a can of chicken broth. This here is 14.5 ounces. I'm also going to add in 2 cans of cannelli beans. These are 15.5 ounces. I'm going to add them in, juice and all. And guys, if you want, you could replace these with kidney beans if you like. I just don't care for kidney beans. I'm going to add in a 15.5 ounce can of corn, juice and all. And I'm going to add in 2 10-ounce cans of diced tomatoes with green chilies. Now, if you don't like your chili on the hot side, or just going to make it a little hot, little heat, little spicy, you could just use diced tomatoes. We're adding 2 of these in. And that's all that goes in this, guys. Now I'm going to give this a good stir to get everything mixed together. Okay, we're looking good. Now I'm going to seal my lid on here, and I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 6 minutes. After the 6 minutes are up, we'll do a quick release of the pressure, and this will be ready to go. Alright, my chili's done. I did that quick release of the pressure. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and garnished this with a little bit of taco cheese. You could also put some chopped cilantro on if you like it, but I don't like cilantro. Let me get in here and give this a taste, guys. And if you don't like taco cheese, cheddar cheese would go great on top of this too, or Monterey Jack would go good in this. It's really good, guys. You can taste the chili powder and the cumin coming through. Has a slight little bit of salt flavor, but not salty. And then you get the heat from those green chilies and the tomatoes. A little bit of crisp from the corn. That's really good, guys. Alright, there you have it. Instant Pot cannelli bean chili. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see ya.